Don't be awkward. Just like look outside the window. I'm like, I'm not wearing makeup, so I feel like gross.
Okay, ew, I look disgusting. Look at those flowers. So cute. I go. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Mom, are you proud of me that I know all those lyrics? I am amazed.
Mangoes? I see mangoes. I see mangoes.
I hope they're mangoes. They might have been something else.
What if they're like knockoffs? Mangoes.
Oh, get some mangoes.
Here's my mango haul. It's okay. Oh, okay, okay. Oh god, the lighting. What yikes. Hold on. And it needs to focus as well.
Are you using me to focus?
Yeah, I am. Stay still. Okay, we good.
I see corn on the cob.
We have corn on the cob?
I see it. I see it there. I'll eat all.
Allie.
Okay. I'll eat it for
The
breakfast.
cucumber looks like, guess what it looks like?
I have no makeup on. It's gross.
You know what the cucumber looks like?
I take.
No, it looks like a banana. It's the same shape.
I don't know what your bananas you're seeing.
Listen, I see, I mean, that face is
Do you think there's dad sunglasses at CVS?
probably. We're all shocked.
How do what?
Maria has a boyfriend, right? I mean, yeah, true, you don't, but like, you do. Sorry. Wait, Maria, what's wrong?
I have hiccups that really hurt and make me burn.
Do you go back like, Wait, give us a burp. That was on command. Can you burp?
There we go, that one.
Oh my god, that's a 10.
Take us through it.
Come on, Ali.
Is that supposed to be a whip?
Are you getting proof that I'm cheating?
We're here.
No, we're still 30 minutes away.
Never mind.
Like 1, 2, 3, ready?
No, I go next. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, right foot, one leg. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, next leg. Then Alex got the next leg. 1, 2, 3. No, right foot. That was right. No.
Oh, I was like,
Alright, ready? Amy, go again. 1, 2, 3. Next leg. 1, 2, 3.
I'm taking a video. Oh shit, Ernest, what's wrong?
Whiskey makes my baby feel a little frisky.
Going to a nice like tea with my friends.
Guys, we should have a tea party.
I'm off to my tea.
Sorry, I can't hear you over my hat covering up your mouth.
What? This is very pink.
My hand?
Yeah, I'm just gonna post a bunch of stuff on my Finsta.
Yeah, but then that's different than a spam account, though.
Whatever. Who is she?
Keep that in mind.
We're going to planning. Maria and Allie are up there, and I'm gonna film them going down there. And I'm wearing an orange on my head. Oh, it's great. I'm living my life.
You sir on the front row, second.
Bye. She said she's really tall. There's a country singer playing over there. We're in West Virginia. Nice camera. Someone just said this is a nice camera. It's not mine, but I took the credit. Okay, Maria! My arms are hurting. Go, Maria! There she goes.
Sorry, I gotta adjust. Okay. That just looks like a green cloud on your head.
Don't make me It's okay. Like
I can't find the thingy. Oh, there it is.
This is the focus. No, that's not. That's a zoom in. That's focus.
Okay, there we go.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Wait, let's better get the puppy.
Taco!
Dog. Hey. Wait. It's a puppy. They have to. What a nice view.
Am I close enough to the thing?
I'm videotaping, not you. Kidding.
Oh! I mean, I
like-
heard what a nice view, so I assumed it was me.
No. Taping. Okay. Here, hold it. Okay. Now it's taping.
Maria, move your butt out of the frame.
Mario and Luigi porn? Question mark.
Oh my god.
Video. So.
What? You sound like you sound like Dan in the tour. Whenever he moves something, he goes. Huh! Do you remember that? He goes, huh! And then we all say, yeah. Give me a dab. Give me a dab. Dab for me. Dab for me, darling.
Which way? Oh, okay, what?
What was that? What is that?
You do like the
Wait!
Wait, you have to hold her back. Karen, I'm gonna go.
Dab
Hold
for
on,
me,
hold on.
darling.
Not like, oh,
Okay.
This is a lot at
One,
once.
two-
wait,
Wait, do the fill.
Oh, me. I feel like you're just gonna choke, Maria. Are you guys like patty caking or what's going on? Ready?
Yep,
Move
go.
one.
So this is my move. Oh. Yeah.
Move two.
Wait, what is my other move? What's my other move?
You had a second one. It was like,
He's like,
yeah, you're like, da da da.
Oh, he was like.
Hey, babe.
My knee has a bump on it.
Is it still taping?
yeah.
Hey,